Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sandeep Pargi. I am specialist pulmonologist at Aster Hospital, Mankhool. Today I will be speaking about post-COVID syndrome. Post-COVID syndrome, the symptoms to look for: cough, breathing difficulty, chest pain, tiredness and depression. The most common are breathing difficulty, cough, weakness and tiredness. But some of them also suffer from depression, lack of sleep and mood swings. But when the patient comes to us with post-COVID syndrome, there are few tests and few examination points we look for in a patient with post-COVID syndrome. The most important is first we take the history and check what are the post-COVID symptoms they have. After taking the history, we look into the tests which are required for each and individual case. The most important tests we do are CBC, CRP, ferritin, D-dimer and X-ray chest. After the results of these tests, we do further tests depending on the reports of the patient which all these tests are suggesting. Once these results are back, we guide the patient for the further management of the case. Some patients also have other issues like depression. In that case, we do an initial counseling for the patient and then refer to a psychiatrist. It's no wrong to take an opinion of a psychiatrist in a post-COVID depression or lack of sleep or mood changes. Now coming to the more serious point, what are the reports which we look into and we look forward for a severe case? D-dimer. D-dimer is an indicator of a prothrombotic stage where most of the patients have in severe post-COVID cases. Other thing is to look for troponin, which is an indicator of heart enzyme, or in the patients of heart attack or myocardial infarction, these are the levels we look for. And the last we look for in a severe case of post-COVID syndrome is Bain natriuretic peptide test, which also gives about the hints of the post-COVID heart failure. But going into the details further, what are the things which we look for in a patient of post-COVID syndrome? We ask the patient for the saturation check, that is oxygen levels in a patient of post-COVID. It's very important to keep oxygen saturation or pulse oximeter at home. If your oxygen level is more than 95, it's fairly normal and you can come to a doctor and show about the changes in your breathing pattern or the cough. But if you think your oxygen level is less than 95, it's very important that you immediately go see a physician or a pulmonologist. It means that post-COVID there is still signs of post-COVID fibrosis or post-COVID inflammation in the lungs. So first important thing when you having a phase post-COVID after 3 to 4 weeks of COVID, look for oxygen levels at home. Second is if your oxygen levels are fine but you still have other symptoms like cough or chest pain, these are transient symptoms which are seen in patient with post-COVID. But it is important to check whether the treatment is required for this cough and chest pain depending on the reports which I mentioned in earlier like CBC, CRP, ferritin, LDH and D-dimer. The last point what I look for in a patient of post-COVID is, are they vaccinated? Mostly the patient recently we have seen are patients who are not vaccinated, they are getting admitted. So it is very, very important that everyone should get vaccinated. Even after the COVID, if you are COVID positive and if you are admitted or you are home quarantine, it is important that you still take the vaccine 10 days in case of mild cases, 20 days if it is severe or moderate cases. With this, I want to conclude that post-COVID syndrome is also a very important topic or issue which we are looking into, and pulmonologists or physicians are the right doctor to visit initially once you have this symptom post-COVID. Thank you.